The noun verb 営業 is used when talking about store open hours and a company's selling activities. 営業、お店のやっている時間や会社の売る仕事の話でよく使います。営業 means a business being in operation and the act of approaching customers to sell goods or services. It can also mean that a store is open. 会社や店が仕事をしている状態、または商品やサービスを売るために人にアプローチする活動のことです。店が開いていることも表せます。The first kanji means to manage or to run something. You see it in ume for management. It also appears in eiri for for-profit. Think of organizing and keeping things going. The second kanji means work or field of business. It shows up in sangyo for industry. You also see it in jugyo toka or lessons. It points to tasks, professions, and lines of work. The store is open today as well. 店は本日も営業しています。店は本日も営業しています。Tomorrow is the weekend opening. 明日は週末の営業です。明日は週末の営業です。We will start operating from 9 a.m. 午前9時から営業を開始します。午前9時から営業を開始します。The business was suspended due to the typhoon. 台風で営業を中止しました。台風で営業を中止しました。The most common synonym of the word is hanbai. It focuses on the act of selling goods. 営業 is broader, covering being open and wider sales activities. The most common antonyms of the word are 休業 and 廃業. 休業 is a temporary closure. 廃業 is permanent closing down, the end of business.